Hey, welcome to another episode of Beers, Jack of Barbecue. Trusty cameraman's not here today. Trying to do a pork neck. Actually was at the butcher, said I wanted to smoke a pork shoulder. They mentioned doing the neck, so I thought I'd give it a try. Like I said, one of the unique things we've always said about our channel is the weather. So today, if you can see the thermometer here, showing 10 degrees outside. A little breezy, had some snow yesterday. But like I said, gonna see that's gonna go for an all-day cook like this for the pork neck. I'm expecting about 10 hours or so. I'm gonna shoot for like 198 to 200 for the final temperature. Not sure if I'm gonna wrap it, but you'll find out later if I did or not. Just gonna see how everything goes out throughout the day. As you can see, I've already seasoned it using the pork barrel barbecue from Costco. It's one of my favorite rubs. I do have some other ones, but I kind of like this one when I do pork shoulder. So got it all seasoned up. As soon as the grill's up to temperature, I'm going to put it on. Probably won't be just a few outside shots, but 10 degrees, it gets a little bit of cold to be out there for too long. So we'll be back shortly. All right, so here we go. I'm going to put the pork neck on the grill. Put a water pan on. I got it set up for indirect cooking. I'm going to try to set it up. Let's step away for a second. Smoke got me. All right, so gonna try to keep the grill around 250. Like I said, 10 degrees outside right now. Looks like everything's working fine on the grill. We'll give you updates as the day goes on, but I'm expecting to leave it in and not do much to it for a good amount of time. I'm gonna stick a probe in. Trying to find a good spot where bone's not affecting it. All right, we'll keep you posted as the day goes on. All right, so I just want to take a quick peek. It's on about 6 hours right now. It's looking good. I'll leave it go for a little while. I was debating on wrapping it. The temperature inside, the internal temperature is about 146 right now, and the grill's been holding right around 250 the whole time. So we'll let it go for a little while. Probably gonna get dark, and like I said, my cameraman Jack isn't here for this one, so I may not show something once it gets dark out here, but I'm gonna wrap it and let it get up to temperature. Like I said, if I wrap it, usually then I unwrap it for like the last hour. So we'll see what happens. All right, so here we are at the end of the pork neck that we did. I put the thermometer here again because I wanted to show you. When I started the fire this morning, it was 9, but with the video I showed at 10 degrees when I put the pork on. It was on just under 12 hours, about 11 and a half hours. Right now it's showing it's just above 3 degrees here. So it was interesting. I actually wrapped it. I did show you on the video earlier. It was about 145 degrees when I checked it. Seemed like it stalled at that point. I'm not sure if that's actually possible now. I'm not as an expert as far as when the stall can happen, but it sat there for a while, so I actually wrapped it at that point, let the temperature come up more. Took a while. I actually let the temperature of the grill come up a little bit more to kind of force it to get done because it was going so long. I didn't know if the weather was doing that or it was just the piece of meat itself, but overall it looks really good. I want to see how it pulls apart. Pulls apart pretty nice and easy. Looks very tender. So it's hard to see. I'll turn it around so you can see how easily it pulls apart. But overall looks good. I'll let you know what I thought of it when we're at the end of it. If you like what you're seeing, subscribe to the channel. As always, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. So we're gonna dig into this and have a good time.